Hey business teachers, my name's Jacob Clifford and I make resources to make your job easier. The goal here is to completely replace your textbook. In this video, I'm going to give you an overview of the 3 products that you absolutely have to know about. They are my teacher PowerPoints, my teacher worksheets, activities, and projects, and the ultimate review packet. Together, they include everything you need to teach this class. Now, before I talk about the resources, let me tell you about the course. It is amazing. You're gonna love teaching AP Business with personal finance. It's easy to get students to buy in because they wanna learn this material, and it's all about project-based learning. So the whole class is designed to make sure students aren't just listening and learning, they're actually doing and applying. So keep that in mind. Every single lesson boils down to 3 things. There's instruction, application, and creation. Let's go over each of those and talk about how my resources can help. First, instruction is all about you in front of the classroom explaining the key concepts and vocab to the students. This is where my teacher PowerPoints fit in. They include all the content and vocab with links to engaging videos and examples. They also include many case studies and practice questions to help your students master the material and helpful teacher tips to guide you along the way. So there's a PowerPoint for every topic and they come with guided notes. These are basic fill-in-the-blank handouts that students fill out during the lesson to make sure they understand everything. And the teacher PowerPoints also come with the AP Essentials textbook. This includes a concise breakdown of everything students need to know for each topic, like key vocab and links to additional resources that help the instructor and the students out. So when it comes to instruction, I've got you covered. You don't have to make a bunch of brand new stuff this year because it's already been done for you.
But wait! There's more!
Now, after instruction comes application and creation. The College Board is going to provide a guide with suggested lesson plans, and it's good, but it's not plug and play. They give you generic lesson ideas, but you're still going to have to make handouts and slides and rubrics on your own. This is where my worksheets, activities, and projects fit in. They are plug and play, classroom-ready resources with PowerPoints, handouts, teacher tips, and a video of me running the actual activity. There's at least 1 worksheet and 1 hands-on activity for each topic, and each unit has several projects so you can pick and choose. Now, these hands-on activities and projects are amazing, but so are the worksheets. They're not basic worksheets that only have vocab. They actually have students apply the content with real-world examples and interesting case studies. Now, along with application comes creation. Remember, this course has 2 huge projects. The Business Canvas project, where students develop their own business, and the Financial Advisor project, where students provide financial recommendations to a fictional household. Again, the College Board is going to give you a lot of good ideas, but there's not a lot of structure. That's why I created project guides to help students along the way and to keep them on task and organized. So on any given day, you're teaching students with the PowerPoints, then having them apply concepts and skills with the worksheets and the projects and the activities. Then you're gonna have them work in groups and develop their own business ideas with structured guidance. So to recap, if you just need help with those daily lessons, get the teacher PowerPoints with the guided notes and the AP Essentials textbook. If you want more student engagement in your classroom with targeted application, then get the worksheets, activities, and projects, which also include the PowerPoints. Now, if you want everything, then also consider getting the ultimate review packet. It includes summary videos, study guides, practice questions, and practice AP exams with an AP exam simulator. And if you get the ultimate review packet for your students, you also get the teacher worksheets and the teacher PowerPoints. Now, let's pause for a second. The teacher PowerPoints are sold with a lifetime license. Once you get them once, then you can use them for your entire career. So use these PowerPoints with your students, but please don't upload them to an open to the world website where other teachers can steal them. Now, the teacher worksheets and the ultimate review packet are different. These are sold with an annual license based on the number of student users. So if you have a small class, it's cheaper. If you have a really big class, it's more expensive. And most importantly, if you want to use those resources every single year, you have to renew your annual license. Now, obviously, I feel I can trust teachers. If you don't like my resources, then don't buy them and don't use them. But if you do want to use them, then please go get an annual license. All the details and the prices are on my website, ultimatereviewpacket.com. So one more recap, the teacher PowerPoints focus on instruction and are sold with a lifetime license. The teacher worksheets, activities, and projects and the ultimate review packet focus on application, creation, and practice and are sold with an annual license. Thanks for watching. Till next time.